Updates to our shipping area. So here I'm struggling with this keyboard is actually in the way, and when I have a box on the right hand side and have to put it over to weigh it on the left hand side of the keyboard, I gotta go around. It's a real big struggle. So let's see what we worked on today. So the big thing I did here was I took the keyboard that was here and I moved it over here. The other thing was when the keyboard was here and the scale was back here, I had to pick up a box and bring it around like this, which was a struggle. Find it hard to believe that I thought that was better, but prior to this we never had a computer out here, and now we can do a lot more without going back and forth. The other thing I'm testing out here is, you notice I dropped down the height of this table from here down to here, maybe about 6 inches or so. So what happens a lot of times is I'm packing a box and I got those heavy wheels, and you imagine if I had a box up on here, it gets up about this high. I gotta lift this heavy thing up and into the box, and it's just kind of awkward. So we're gonna try down here lower. I know the scale is just where it is for right now. Trying to figure out the correct positioning, quote, left and right. Probably my thing here from Tim marking my different size boxes should really go up here in the end, because this is gonna be where we do the foam cutting, so you can kind of lay out your stuff, see what's gonna fit, grab your foam. I'm gonna have some other foams up there as well, working on that. But I have some pretty cool ideas with the scale and moving the boxes there. We'll leave it at that for today, and we'll keep working on this. The only thing I don't like is this now, the paper down here is a little lower and I gotta bend down a little bit. Same with these boxes down here, but these boxes are gonna end up going up here. Just haven't figured that out yet. Gotta figure out the foam, figure out my boxes, gotta figure out how much space I got there for all that sort of stuff. This bench on the side here may disappear, especially if I get the boxes up. Some of this other stuff may be able to maybe go down here, and then that's gonna give me one nice long area to do shipping and receiving. The monitors, after I figure out all the other stuff, I'm gonna figure out what to do with the computer. The printer, I might be using a different printing system. I have some other things going on. And I used to have a brown cabinet here that didn't allow me to get in this corner. So this is slowly starting to take shape. This is just all the prototype work at the moment. And then when I got it pretty much figured out, we're going to bring in the flex pipe. This here is cool. Garbage can right here for my scraps. I got a cool idea I'm going to do with that, with the flex pipe. Garbage can used to be over here. Not that big of a deal, but it's a lot nicer where it is. So just a fast update on some changes.